For myself and with patients, obtaining very good results when you want to use a treatment that's not surgical, in diseases such as in herniated discs or chronic lumbar pains. In patients with herniated discs in their lower back, I have seen a significant progress.
I damaged my spine with a herniated disc. With Cordis and Sacris I feel I can walk a lot better. To treat my herniated disc, it was spectacular. For herniated discs it works great. It relaxes a lot. My recovery was more than 80%. I recommend it for herniated discs, scoliosis, lumbalgia, hip pain and others. They are excellent therapeutic aids to rehabilitate the spine. It has helped me a lot for a hernia that I have. After using it, the hernia has decreased by 80%.
I have had very good results. I no longer feel any pain from the hernias I had. I bought this device 3 months ago. And it worked very well for my back pain, for herniated disc and for sciatic nerve pain.
I have spine problems of multiple discopathies. And these two devices worked very well for me.
The devices are quite effective for spine pains, particularly the sciatic nerve and herniated discs. I had 2 herniated discs in the 4th and 5th vertebrae. And after using it I can do any activity normally.
I had 2 lumbar hernias. I felt a great difference and my quality of life increased. It is very good.
I have herniated disc problems. Cordis and Sacris have really worked for me. I have problems with multiple herniated discs. After the treatment with Cordis I have felt supremely well. It is excellent. I recommend it.
I have around 2 years using Cordis as well as Sacris on my patients. And I've been able to see truly good results.
Many problems have improved a lot. I feel more relaxed and the muscular contracture has reduced.
I had a herniated disc and a cervical whiplash syndrome. I feel much better, safer and calmer. My whole body hurts less.
We have started to use Cordis and Sacris, and truth is that since the first day we've seen changes in our patients. We keep using it because we've liked the results we've had. I was able to see the changes since the first application. I use it at least 2 times a week. And the pain hasn't come back. I used this device for approximately 6 months. I had a herniated disc and the truth is that it worked very well for me. I'm able to walk again. It does not hurt anymore. It's wonderful and I do recommend it.
I had a sciatic neuropathy. I used it and in 2 sessions the discomfort practically disappeared.
It worked very well. For 6 months I have not felt the muscular pains or the lumbar hernia pain. I had a herniated disc and I could not walk. And now I feel a lot better.
I am diagnosed with a herniated disc. After the therapy I'm much better and quite relaxed.
In common lumbalgias, in muscular and ligaments aches can be very effective, and I personally use it a lot.
I use it with my patients to treat herniated disc. And I have had very good results. I had problems with compression and 2 hernias. In my opinion, it's fabulous. I felt a 70% relief. I have felt a lot of improvement from a herniated disc that I suffered for more than 20 years and I did several unsuccessful treatments. The change has been abysmal with the application of this device. I have a spinal surgery because of a hernia. I feel that it strengthens my spine and I feel great improvement.
Cordis has helped me with my back. I use it every 3rd day for 15 minutes. The pain has reduced.
I was diagnosed with bilateral sacroiliitis, herniated discs and scoliosis. I felt very good and relaxed. The leg pain decreased a lot and I can walk much better. It was really good.
I have very good results with patients and with myself. They are very important tools that will be a great therapeutic support.
I have a herniated disc and sciatica. With the devices I feel a great improvement and the liberation of my back.
I've had a herniated disc for 15 years. With Cordis and Sacris I felt a lot of improvement.
I have had a herniated disc for a year and I have tried everything. With Cordis and Sacris the inflammation was reduced to 15 or 10%. I feel really good. It truly is very effective. It takes away the pains, tension.
The athletes I treat have had really good results with therapies where I've used Cordis. It will make a very good progress in life quality of my patients.
I came for a herniated disc problem. I arrived with a pain in my leg that did not allow me to walk very well. And I leave very satisfied. The pain practically disappeared and I have more mobility.
I can see that it works. It eliminates pain. And it'll help me a lot. I had a contracture maybe by being sat during surgery and I feel much more comfortable.
I came with herniated discs and a very strong pain. I received the therapy with the Cordis device and it is excellent. I'm leaving with a lot of relief. I really recommend it. I suffer from 3 herniated discs. After the Cordis treatment I felt quite relieved.
I tried this device and it worked wonders. It totally relaxed me. By using it frequently I will have good progress and so will my patients.
I used it on cervical and lumbar and I noticed that it worked a lot in that zone as well as the sacrum. I have 2 herniated discs and I have tried many different treatments. After the therapy with Cordis I really felt very good.
I have a herniated disc in L5-S1 and I suffer permanently from pains in the leg. I just finished the therapy and I have 0 pain.
My experience with Cordis has been satisfactory. With a physiological lumbar lordosis,
I felt an incredible improvement. It relieved the pain.
I have a herniated disc problem and I had surgery. I felt a lot of relaxation and relief.
I have 3 cervical and 3 lumbar hernias, and the pain disappeared.
I have an inflammation from a herniated disc that affected my sciatic nerve. I received therapy with this device and I can notice the difference in relief. I recognize that it is a very good device. I had a herniated disc. I tried this device and I feel very good. It has helped me a lot. I have multiple hernias in the spine. I feel much better from the pain. I no longer feel so much muscle tension. I started using it with myself. I had very good results. And now I use it in my daily practice.
It works. Because it opens the vertebrae spaces.
The pain was relieved a lot. Up to 90% I could say. I have been diagnosed with a herniated disc for 30 years. This system was a very pleasant experience.
I have used Cordis 6 months for 2 herniated discs. It has been quite satisfactory.
I have a herniated disc. When I tried the device I felt very comfortable. It's a pleasant sensation. I have a herniated disc. Now I feel very good. It relieved the pain.
I have 2 herniated discs. The sensation of relaxation is pleasant. I have 2 lumbar herniated discs. I'm feeling a very great relief. I am suffering from pressure on the sciatica and leg pain due to a hernia. With the device it was not difficult at all. I have confidence. I have 2 herniated discs in L4-L5. I arrived with certain expectations and I'm leaving with them covered. The numbness in my leg practically disappeared. I feel stretched and with the spine aligned.
I've had herniated discs for several years. I got surgery. Cordis seemed good to me. I have a lumbar hernia in L4-L5. With Cordis I felt better, it relieved the pain. With Sacris you feel the pressure exerted. After the session you feel great difference.
I came very damaged with 2 herniated discs. The improvement was great. I really recommend it.
I have 5 herniated discs and a lumbalgia. These devices are excellent to me. I've felt a lot of improvement.
I have multiple hernias in the lower back and sciatica. I found Cordis interesting. I felt very relaxed. My back is injured by a herniated disc. I have tried therapies and chiropractors and the improvement has been partial. I arrived skeptical, thinking that it wouldn't work and that it would be painful because of its shape. But it adapts to the body and you feel a change, an improvement.
I arrived with a lot of lower back pain due to a hernia in the 4th and 5th vertebrae. With this therapy, pain decreased by 90%. I have 2 herniated discs. With Cordis I felt a lot of relief in the lower back. With Sacris you feel the relaxation after the session.
I am suffering from cervical pain caused by herniated discs. With Cordis you feel great relief and relaxation in the back. I have 2 herniated discs. At this moment I am a little more relaxed and I feel more relieved. I have a herniated disc in S1-L5. I tried the Sacris and Cordis devices and they seemed very good to me. I have a herniated disc in L4-L5 and the therapy they gave me was completely excellent. I have herniated discs in L4-L5 and L5-S1. And now I'm completely relaxed. I have herniated discs and retrolisthesis. I want to congratulate you for this special treatment. I suffer from sciatica and herniated disc. I feel better in the neck, and the experience with Cordis was very good. I suffer from scoliosis and herniated disc. By using these 2 devices I felt relief and relaxation.
I am suffering from herniated discs, pressure on the sciatic nerve and pain in my legs and hips. When I received the therapy I felt relief.
I suffer from herniated disc and sciatica. I received the first therapy with Cordis and I felt better. I suffer from herniated disc in L3. I have tried this device and I felt improvement. I have a spinal problem between the vertebrae L5-S1. It helped me a lot. It was very beneficial for me.
About 10 years ago I suffer from discopathy. I have gone through several therapies that relieve me temporarily and then the pain returns. After finishing the session with Cordis I am very relieved, I no longer feel pain in the legs or in the sciatic nerve. I am suffering from a discopathy in L5-S1, I'm trying Cordis. When the body rests on the device, you feel the pressure that relieves the pain. I have problems in the lower back between discs L4-L5. This relieved my sciatica pain. I suffer from the spine, discs L4-L5. They gave me the therapy with Cordis and I thought it was excellent.
I have a condition in the spine, between L4-L5. With this device I feel better. It relaxes the muscles a lot. It gives relief for the entire spine.